She wasn't just my fellow, she was my other parent. I was helping when I asked. I had 2 moms that did an amazing job. My mother and my father. I remember always being at her house on Seaguard Street watching Baby Pig while she cooked my favorite foods. And the Sunday in the bath time, the way she brushed my hair, the towel she specifically get when she was on the television, the very towel she had supporting her during the period of her life. The times when she had no choice but to watch me the last 1 to 2 hours of her shift, where I sat in the morning booth coloring, watching her help the drawings in the closet. Fun fact, thanks to her, I was able to stay able to keep the cash and change. I remember every trip I've taken with her, the way she carried me in the house all day at St. Margaret's. Every time I had to sleep in her bed with her, kick the poo-poo out of me because I just wanted her comfort. The days and weeks I spent with her as a tween and a teen, just so I could get a good break from everything passionate and turkey like. Every time I was helped by her, what all I could do was cry. I have the art I do because of her. And I'm sure I'll